I'm Sharon. I love books and I love a craft called book folding. Today I'm going to show you how to fold a tree shape, a cone shape, into a book and then decorate it for the holidays. You'll need one repurposed book for this craft, a bone folder, this helps to make sharp creases, some holiday decorations, and a glue gun. So let's get started. First you need to find the center of the book. To make it easy, this book is 200 pages, so the center would be 100. You find the center point. A nice shaped tree is 60 to 100 folds. So for this craft, I'm going to use 60 folds, which you would go back 60 pages. So if you have 100 pages, minus 60 is 40. One fold equals 2 numbered pages, so that's why we go back 60. So you'll end up having 30 pages to the left of the center and 30 pages to the right. Let's get started. You lay your book down flat, and from the upper right hand corner we're going to fold it into the middle. This is where you use your bone folder or your fingers, and you make a nice sharp crease. From this fold here, on the almost middle right hand side, you fold again into the center. There'll be a nice point at the top, and you crease it down nicely. Now right here, I think this looks like a tie, a man's lopsided tie. If it doesn't look like that, you haven't done it right. Once you have that lopsided tie, you turn it over. There's going to be a little triangle shape here. You fold it up and tuck it right into the book. Let's try that again. Upper right hand corner, fold it in, makes a nice triangle here. And from the mid-center, you fold it again in. A nice point at the top. You can use your hand or the bone folder. Here we go with that man's lopsided tie. And you turn it to the other side. You can again crease it on both sides. You fold up that little triangle and tuck it in. So I'm going to continue doing this for 60 folds. Fold it. You crease it down. I think I find I like it better without the bone folder, but this makes nice sharp edges. You turn it and you tuck that triangle in. All right, I'm going to keep folding for 60 folds till we have that nice shaped tree. Sometimes you have to crease the top just a little bit more. And you tuck it in. There you go. Again, we're going to fold from the top, upper right hand corner to the center. Crease it down. From the edge here, you fold it in. There's that lopsided tie. And again, sometimes you have to work with the top. You just crease it, make it nice and sharp, and fold it in. Once you've made your 60 folds, you have a nice cone shape into the book. It looks like a tree, and now the fun part begins. We get to decorate this for the holidays. And I live on the beach. I work at Panama City Beach Library, and I thought it'd be fun to decorate in a nautical theme. So here we go. I have all the decorations right here. I got these little pearl shaped. I have little ornaments, little sparkly bulbs, and I have little starfish that I think are pretty cute. All right, so we're decorating the tree. You just place, I bought these little pearl-shaped items at a craft store, and just put them anywhere you want on a tree. It's just like decorating, well it is, we're decorating a tree. We're going to place these all around. tree. Move that back. Thank you everyone for joining me for this craft. I hope you'll try it on your own. I had a lot of fun with it. And we do have this nice book called Book Art that you can check out from the library. These are a couple of my personal items, and you might be able to get them through interlibrary loan. So again, thank you for coming. I hope you'll visit the beach and have fun with this craft. Bye. See you next time.